Traeger error codes. Traeger error codes explained. Traeger grills are equipped with a digital control panel that displays error codes when there's a problem. Here's a complete list of common Traeger error codes and advanced fixes for them. Common error codes: LER, low temperature error, occurs when the grill's temperature falls below 125 degrees Fahrenheit for more than 10 minutes. HER, high temperature error, happens when the grill's temperature exceeds 550 degree F superscript 2. AIR, general error code indicating a problem with the grill. ER1, indicates a bad connection or a complete disconnect between the RTD probe and the control panel. ER2, suggests that the RTD probe, temperature sensor, has failed. ER3, not specified in the search results, but typically related to controller issues. ER4, means that the induction fan has been disconnected. ER5, not specified in the search results, but often indicates a problem with the grill's auger system. ER6, not specified in the search results, but could be related to a faulty ignition system. ER7, not specified in the search results, and could indicate a variety of issues including power supply problems. Advanced fixes: LER, ensure there are pellets in the hopper, clean out the fire pot, and check the RTD temperature probe and induction fan for issues. HER, wait for the grill to cool down, clean the grill grate, remove grease from the drip tray, and vacuum out the fire pot superscript 2. AIR, general troubleshooting includes checking for firmware updates, ensuring proper assembly, and verifying power supply. ER1, check the RTD connection by ensuring the wires are properly inserted into the green housing box on the back of the controller superscript 1. ER2, replace the RTD probe. Contact Traeger customer support to verify and order a replacement superscript 1. ER4, check the fan connection by locating the orange wires and following them to the fan. If connected but the error persists, contact support. ER5, ER7, since these codes are not specified, the best course of action is to refer to the user manual or contact Traeger customer support for specific guidance. Tips: regular maintenance, such as cleaning the grill and emptying the fire pot, can prevent many issues. Keep your grill's firmware updated to ensure optimal performance and fewer errors. If you're not comfortable performing these fixes, it's best to contact a professional or Traeger customer support for assistance. Remember, safety first. Always turn off and unplug your grill before attempting any troubleshooting or repairs. If you're unsure about any steps or the problem persists, contact Traeger customer support for help.